Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to block unwanted SMS text messages on the new Samsung Galaxy phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 and it's the same also for the other new Samsung Galaxy phones. And if you want to block an unwanted SMS text message, you need to go to the messaging app, and here there is. This one is from Google, and here I have a message from unwanted sender, and I want to block it. For that, just tap here on these three dots, and here we have block and report spam. And from here also you can check report spam if you want it. I don't do it right now, and then just tap yes, and the number is blocked. Now if you go back, as you can see, I don't have anymore the message. Okay, now to unblock the sender, you need to tap here on the profile icon, and here we have spam and blocked. And here is my blocked message. To unblock, tap on it, and you can unblock from here, just tap, and that's all. And now if you go back, as you can see, the message is back. Also, we have a second feature here. If you tap again on the profile icon and go to spam and block, and tap here on these three dots, tap on blocked numbers, and from here we have the option to block calls from unknown numbers. So you can enable or disable this feature from here. And also you can add a phone number to block from returns calls or from contacts. Okay. Now, if you don't use the Google messaging app and instead you use the Samsung messaging app, I will show you how to do it also on this app. First, I need to set as default. For that, I will tap OK and select the other messaging app, and again set as default. And here is my unwanted SMS. Now, to block the sender, just tap and hold on it. And here tap on more, and here we have block. Just tap on it, and you will not longer receive any calls from the sender. Also, you can check delete conversation if you want, and then just tap block, and that's all. In my example, can block this number because the number is not valid, but this is the way. Now, if you tap again on these three dots, here we have settings, and here we have block numbers and spam. And here just tap on block numbers. Again, from here you can block calls from unknown numbers. You can enable or disable this feature, or you can add a phone number to block from returns calls, messages, or contacts. It is very easy. This was my tutorial for today. You can leave me in the comment area if this feature is useful for you and how it works. And also I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.